removal of the quota. Third step, what is the third step? Removal of quota. So what is the general mechanism? So you have to explain nitronium species as a general mechanism. Then you can give all the examples neatly, legibly. Okay. So your paper should be like, you are starting with benzene ring. The first page, you are showing the pi bond conjugation like this as a circle means this should cover the ring fully. So you are putting a circle inside, isn't it? You should not draw like this. You should show a circle. That means all the double bonds electrons are moving. What the circle indicates? The double bonded electrons are moving. That means it is not in a place. That is called as delocalization of electrons. Okay? So, first work is prepare your hints. Okay? You are starting your question paper 10 mark question. Prepare your hints. Give the mechanism. The evaluators should see your paper and see that you have understood the basics of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. So your paper should tell that I know the basics very well. Then you have to go for nitration, sulfonation, calcination, alkylation, acylation. Okay. Even though it is a 10 mark question, they have not asked you after soon to write explain about the 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. What is that rule? 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. Okay. So this is how you have to make yourself comfortable and also tell the evaluator that I know these steps clearly. Okay. So how you will impress if you are getting first 10 out of 10, then the teacher or the evaluator will think that this student is capable of answering other questions well. Definitely put